In an art gallery, 7 sculptures are displayed. Each sculpture is either type X or type Y. Sculptures of type X requires 5 meters of wire for support, and sculptures of type Y requires 3 meters of wire. If Z is the number of sculptures of type X, which expression represents the total meters of wire needed for all 7 sculptures? So 7 sculptures here, 7 sculptures, either type X or type Y. The length required for each type X is 5 meters. The length required for each type Y is 3 meters. If Z is the number of sculptures of type X, so here Z is the number of sculptures in type X. So the remaining sculptures are of type Y. So 7 minus Z are the number of sculptures in type Y. So the length required for type X sculptures is 5 times Z. It is 5Z, and then 3 times 7 minus Z plus 3 times 7 minus Z. So here 5Z plus 3 times 7 minus Z, 5Z plus 21 minus 3Z, 5Z minus 3Z, 2Z plus 21.